What can you expect in this retreat? Well, that's difficult to answer because we don't know who you are, where you are on your path in life, what are your expectations, what is your involvement. But we know something for certain, and this is, you are the manifestation of a spiritual blueprint that was present before your conception, that held the space for each cell of your development to know what it has to do, where it has to go, what organ it had to form. And after 9 months, there is a perfect human being manifested in this world. And we know that this power is guiding you. This power is creating the physical change, the emotional increase in range, and the completely different thought you will access while being in this retreat.